lights. You already knew. I'm literally sweating under these lights because I was gonna tell you, and you know I did. What's up, 1 billion guys? It's Divine, and welcome back. Welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, oh hi, welcome. I'm not usually like this. So I'm going to be unraveling this bounce. That's why I prefer to go to bed and do this video, because it's do or die. Like, I actually want to come back to filming content on YouTube because short form platforms are draining. Anyway, that's a story for another day. So 2026 is approaching, and I'm so sorry. I'm seriously so sorry. I was not a good accountability partner actually because of this hair growth challenge. I'm not even gonna lie to you. That's one of the reasons I never bother myself. Let me pause and show you something. Not a good reputation of me, but these are the shampoo and conditioner. This thing that I've been to Lagos and back, giveaway for last year's hair growth challenge. Yeah, very bad of me, but life happened. A lot of things have happened that I don't even want to say, and I personally don't want to say, and a lot of things that I'll be updating you guys on in the long run. But anyway, I'm here now, and let's get into the reason why you're watching me. So a lot of the times, right, people skip this. They skip this for this BSS. They skip body parts or the strand parts. Of course, this is the hair that is growing out of your hair strands. Beautiful, right? Very, very beautiful. So people skip their skin or scalp care. People skip most especially their body health. When I say body health, I'm talking about what is going on inside your body system. My sister just sent me a video because I was telling her how my eye tends to like switch, like it just switches unconscious, like it just moves when I'm lacking sleep. And she sent me a reel explaining how stress causes that. And from the remaining half of this year, like in the last video I uploaded on my second channel, you see that I've been through a spiral, and when I'm stressed I have that switch in my eye a lot. But now I'm less stressed. You can see in my face, yeah. God. Anywho, let me focus on why you're watching me. Let me focus. So because we are skipping body health and you're focusing on strand health, at the end of the day, your strand is not gonna look good. I'm telling you because I was skipping, and I'm still working on it. Like, that's the whole essence of fasting. Like, I'm still working on maintaining good body health, like sleep, diet, exercise, all those things. Body health, very important, because it's not just for the aesthetics of what you're seeing, your hair, your skin, whatever it is. It's also for your cognitive function, how your brain thinks and how your body systems process. So I'm always saying it's like, what is protein? Protein is bodybuilding food, right? Yeah, I don't want to go on and on about that. You can watch this video. I feel like I'm rambling too much on the core foundation because I'm constantly repeating myself. Just watch this video. Let me focus on the reason why you're watching me. So in the next today is the 3rd of December. In the next, let's say 20 something days, we're going to be in 2026. I want you to have this as a checklist for 2026, the first quarter of the year. Yeah, this year we're acting smart. We're moving faster than time, because time doesn't wait, honestly. I want you to get your notepad, get your journal. Yeah, I sell journals, just in case you don't know. Get your journal. I'm more updates on that too, but let's focus our focus. I feel like I'm dabbling into a lot of things as I'm talking, but yeah, that's just regular majoring. Yeah, what was I saying? So get your journal, get your notepad, let's get into it. If you're following me on Instagram or on TikTok, you would have seen it already, but I think I already posted also on YouTube in the community post or community poll, whatever it's called. So make sure you're subscribed, so in case you've not seen it anywhere, you get notified and you see it. Honestly, I'm trying my best to be active on Telegram again. Pray for a sister is gonna do that. This particular sheet, you should send me your email or send me a DM, so I'll send you a photo, or you can take a screenshot of it. This particular sheet, you need it to work for the next 90 days. And I want you to be very, 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 I don't want you to be hard on yourself. I want you to be diligent. Yeah, diligent with your works. I want you to be diligent. And the beautiful thing is that every time on this channel, I get messages, I get comments that, oh Divine, I did this, I did that, and did that. And I finally, like, after years of like stressing myself, following different routines and different things that people tell me to do, different products, whatever, my hair finally, oh my god, that one was a violation. My hair finally grew. So yeah, your hair you can actually get to your goal. Like, you can actually get to your goal. First of all, be delulu. That's another thing like I'm trying to get back into, because I remember starting this YouTube channel, I was very, very delulu. I also delulu that I knew that my hair was going to get to waist length in 5 years. Like, faith, be delulu, be that delulu that you're actually going to see it. Stop walking in blindness that you're not going to ever achieve it, but actually believe that you're gonna achieve what you want to achieve. You get me in it? Yeah. So now that I have a new tripod, I'll be able to film watch the videos again. I'll be able to film watch watch wash day videos again. I'm so happy. Anyway, back on track. So this is what I want you to do for the next 90 days. Step 1, I want you to write down in your notepad, set a particular goal. When I'm saying set a particular goal, like describe what you are going for. Like you want the feeling, like what is your goal after 90 days? You know the way they always do all these 75 hard or whatever, all these glow up challenges. Yeah, but literally for your hair, set a particular feeling you want to feel and set a particular thing you want to achieve. A particular. Do you know what that word means? Specific, very, very specific. So for me, you see that I'm trying my best to be able to wear my hair, like wear my hair more confidently. Like I want this to work. Like I literally wore it to the office. Yeah, period. Are you feeling? Yeah, I'm trying to learn to wear my hair more confidently, and I'm also trying to balance my hormones. Like last month, my menstrual cramps were crazy. Whatever it is, the menstrual cramp was crazy. It was so bad, like so bad. Like I could not even. I almost lost myself to menstrual cramps. So I'm trying to like track better. I'm trying to like not just tracking and writing in my journal, like track my body system, like what is happening, what caused that. Because the months before that, I was not that stressed out, and I did not even have any. Imagine, I did not have any menstrual cramp my period before that. Why am I diverting? Yes, my goal is to focus on managing my hormones. My goal is to focus on wearing my hair more confidently. So the things that you will see in my own checklist is focusing on those things. So yours will be focusing on you. You get it? You. Because we're different people. Yes. It's clocking to you. You're standing on business. Yes. And how are we going to achieve this? The first thing you need to do if you are growing out here, for those that are still new to their hair care journey or they are starting a new fresh journey, is a glow up challenge, something like that. You have to understand that when you want to grow out your hair, you need a particular method to stretch it out. I'm talking about afro hair, I'm not about white people stuff. But afro hair grows upward. So when you want to grow it out, you stretch it by 1 minute or the other. If you are a boy, maybe you add extensions. That's what a lot of boys do these days. You can use ajankolo kolo. Do you know what ajankolo kolo is? It is this hairstyle. You could do braids, twists, whatever your hair can do at that particular time. Or you could do African threading, ajankolo kolo. Yeah, whatever African threading you want to do, you could add extensions to the African threading. It is up to you. All these things I'm just saying. So note the hairstyles you are doing for the next, how many weeks are in 90 days? Honestly, I really don't know right now, but I think 8 weeks. Let's just say 9 weeks. For the next 9 to 10 weeks, write down the hairstyles you'll be wearing for those weeks. If you're wearing a particular hairstyle for 4 weeks, note it down in time frame. From this week to this week, I'm gonna be wearing this hairstyle. So you know where your wash day routine is gonna fall into. You get it? It's clocking to you, right? Yes, that is it. It's going to help you to be less stressed. It's going to help you, when I'm saying less stressed, you don't have to think of what hairstyle am I doing this month? What when I take down my hair, what am I doing? You're not going to be stressed of wash day coming up. Like you know that, okay, since I'm carrying this hairstyle from this time to this time, I have to figure out how to style it better and wear it more confidently. Like is it making sense to you? Yes, it makes sense. Hopefully it does. So if you are like me, that is very sometimes I can be very indecisive, you can just pick 8 hairstyles, and when the week comes, you pick in between those 8 hairstyles the one you are going to do. Pinterest is available to do that. Don't stress me out. Go to Pinterest, type hairstyles to wear, hairstyles, black girl hairstyles. You will find hairstyles are surplus for you. You will see hairstyles. So write 8 to 10 hairstyles, and when the week comes, you can pick in between those hairstyles or your mood board. Yes, your mood board. I have a mood board of the hairstyles I'm wearing, so I know, okay, this is how I want to look like, or something I'm going to achieve. That's what creative directors do. That's what creative directors do. You know what you're trying to achieve, or you have a picture of what you are trying to get. Just like your goals. Your goals are just dreams. They become reality when you put in the action. It's clocking, right? It's clocking to you. So now this checklist is the action plan. The dream, the goal is the mood board. Yeah, thank you. So now that we have gotten the hairstyles you are doing, I'm doing bantu knots, I'm doing slick buns, I'm doing jumbo braids. How many is that? And I'm doing updos. There's this particular Jude Garland's updo I saw, and so I love it. I love it. Like I've not rocked updos in a while, and recently I tried it and splendid. I was so confident wearing my hair, and that is the goal. Okay, so what are the hairstyles you are picking? I want you to write them down. Pause this video. Yeah, I was gonna tell you to do it. You already knew. I'm literally sweating under these lights because I was gonna tell you, and I did. I just did. So pause this video. No, you did not pause the video. I was the one that paused the video. Did you pause the video? Okay, I think you did. I think you did if you're watching this now. So after writing those 8 to 10 hairstyles, you can now allocate to the particular weeks. Oh, this week I'm doing this hairstyle, this week I'm doing this hairstyle, just like me. Like, this is the first week of December, I'm wearing bantu knots. Second week, I hope to wear updos. I hope to wear updos. The third week, I hope to wear braids, and the fourth week, I hope to wear sleek buns. Not like a sleek bun, like, it's like I have it in my mood board. There's a particular Pinterest style I saw. It was so, this is something I learned from my sister and my cousin, so you bear with me. So the next thing is your wash days, or should I call it your wash day dates. So just like if you are in a romantic relationship or a friendship, whatever the ship is, you will like set particular times so that you can keep up and like put it in your calendar, like this day is this day, like you know this day is for this thing. Like, it's just like work is Monday to, you know that you work from this hour to this hour. If not, you're gonna be forever in work, or you're not going to have time to like organize things. Like, you just be all over the place. I'm talking from experience. So pick particular dates. So for me, the second week and fourth week are my wash days. So I'm carrying this bantu knots. This is the first week. I'm going to make updos after the bantu knots second week. So when I'm taking down the updos, guess what's gonna happen? My wash day dates. Yes, yeah, you get it. So that's what's gonna be happening. Yeah, so write it down, particular dates. I don't know what, December something, I shall know second week. I don't know whether it's gonna be a Saturday, whether it's gonna be a Monday. I shall know it's second week when I wear the updos. I don't necessarily have to wear the updos all through the week, but that week I'm wearing updos. You don't have to be like me wearing easy protective styles. You could wear braids for the whole month and have a particular date set in a month for your wash day, and you know, okay, the next month this is the hairstyle I'm making. Remember, this is particular to you, your routine, how you're working, how your life is, how your schedule is up to you. You have power in your hands. Yes, because it is your hair, not my hair. It is yours. Yeah. The next thing in this checklist is to note down the treatments you are doing. So first of all, let's start with your taking down process. I know wash day already covers all those, like your take down, your pre-poo if you do pre-poo, your shampoo. Like for me, I don't think I'm pre-pooing every time because I'm washing my hair twice a month. If you're someone that washes your hair every week, you don't need to pre-poo every week. But if you're someone that washes your hair once a month, you should try your best to pre-poo. So all those things. So starting with your take down process, very, very, very important, because the way you take down your hair, especially if you added hair, if you added hair into your hair, you have to be careful how you are taking down your hair. So starting from your take down process, how you are moisturizing it, to how you pre-poo it, to how you shampoo it, to how you condition or deep condition it, to how you rinse out the conditioner or deep conditioner, to how you wear a new protective style, moisturize before the new protective style. Yeah. So take note of all these things, and if there's a particular treatment you want to do, let's say your hair is dyed and you have a particular deep conditioning treatment you want to do, take note of that. For me, I want to trim my hair. Like, if you see the ends of my hair, they look crusty, dusty. They need to go. I want to trim my hair. I've not blow dried my hair in like over 3 months. I need to try to blow dry my hair. Yeah, I want to see what's going on inside that I've not been seeing all this while. Yeah, I don't think I've tried a deep condition or protein hair mask in a very long time either. So I need to do all those things. I need to add tea. I want my hair to be, you know, there's body matcha, so my hair will be hair matcha, hair tea. Anywho, so note it down in your wash day or your treatments. Note it down somewhere. You know you need something. I know you know you need something, whether it's for your edges or your, you know you need to try something, whether it's banana peels, almond oil, whatever, hot oil treatment. You know you need something, so write it down for your wash day. It's gonna be tea. You know how people have maintenance routine. This is gonna be maintenance, baby girl, maintenance. So you have to take note of it. Is it clocking? I trust that it is. Hair long before they got that brand deal. Do you know? And you're comparing yourself to them. Don't be like that. Don't be like that. Don't be like that. This is, we're about to enter 2026. Be realistic. Grow in maturity and understand that this is you we're talking about. We're not talking about everybody. We're talking about you, yourself, and you. So understand that it's going to help you. So note down particular routines that you feel you should adapt to your life. And for me, I'm not a nighttime person. Like, I'm not saying I'm not a night. I stay awake in night, so I'm trying to maintain a nighttime routine, so go to bed with. I'm trying to become that person because it's very important for what I want to be, my goals, where I see myself. So I'm trying to put myself there, and as I'm seeing it, I need to be working towards it. So it's not just you're seeing it afar, you need to walk towards what you're seeing. So do you find out particular routines? Let me give you an example. Like myself, like I told you, I'm not a nighttime person. I need to learn to maintain wearing my bonnet more, because I sleep without my bonnet. Yeah, a lot of the times. A lot of the times. Like in a week, 2 days or 1 day out of the week, you see me wearing my bonnet. But this recent week before December, I've maintained sleeping with a bonnet. Can you clap your hands? Clap your hands for the Lord Jesus. Yeah, and I'm proud of myself. Like, start with little goals. I don't want you to see 90 days and think, oh, 90 days. No, start with 1 week. Like, that's how I've overcome this coming back to social media thing. Like, start with 1 week. Start with 2 days, 3 days. In short, let me tell you, for the past almost 2 months now, I've been waking up by 4 a.m. Literally. And when we started doing this in our home, it was like this, oh, we're doing this for 3 days, let's see how it goes. We're doing this for 1 week, let's see how it goes. It turns to a month, and now it's like 2 months, and I'm so grateful to God. So don't just see it, walk towards it. Walk towards it. Yeah. See, I have energy today for you. If you made this part of this video, if you made it to this part, just give you that I see you. Just type in the comment section, let me just appreciate you honestly for making this part of the video. It means you're already serious about these things, and not just watching. You're not just going to watch this video, you're actually going to do the things you just wrote down inside your journal. Yeah, I believe you. Don't worry, I believe you, and I trust you. You're not going to be like what I did this past year. I'm not gonna be a bad accountability partner also, just like you. So you're going to do them. Comment hair matcha, or comment hair tea, or hair coffee, whatever you want to, hair something. Let's confuse people in the comment section. It's been a while we did this. Please like the video physically and not just emotionally. I really appreciate you every time you watch my videos and being here with me, and of course I'm here with you through your journey. Yeah, don't go yet. One more thing, and it's something that you have to do. I'm so sorry I'm giving you a lot of homework or assignments, but sorry, you just have to do it. See, I want to put a timer of 10 minutes. Yeah, just 10 minutes, a 10-minute timer, and start the homework or assignment as I'm talking to you right now. So I want you to get a Canva template. Canva.com, no PR, Canva.com, use Canva.com, or you can use what is this in Microsoft? What's the stuff on Microsoft now? You can use your Microsoft spreadsheet or anything, or Google Docs, whatever it is. I want you to write it down for this week. Today is 3rd, so we have how many days left? 4 days left in the week. I want you, for the next 4 days, I want you to maintain what you wrote down in your checklist for the next 4 days. So somebody commented on TikTok that I should make a particular routine for people on low porosity and for people with low porosity hair. So I'm going to do that. Let me know if you have particular questions you want me to answer. I'll answer that in my next video. I'm also going to do that for high porosity girlies. I see you guys. I see you guys. I see a lot of people every day on social media, like short form. Oh my god, those apps. Anyway, thank you so much for being here with me. I hope to see you in this video. Please don't waste your time and make sure you try to do the things you've written down. I'm rooting for you, even if nobody else is rooting for you. I am rooting for you, and trust me, believe in yourself, believe in God, and your goals are going to become reality. See ya. Dear diary.